In this video, you'll learn how to redeem an eBay gift card for your purchases. By following these steps, you'll be able to apply your gift card balance during the checkout process seamlessly. Begin by browsing eBay for the product you wish to buy. Once you find the item, click on the Buy It Now button or select Add to Cart if you want to continue shopping. After you have added the product to your cart, navigate to the checkout page by clicking on the cart icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Review the order details, including the product and shipping address, to ensure everything is correct. Next, during the checkout process, look for the section labeled gift card or coupon code. This field is usually located on the payment page just before you finalize your order. Carefully enter your eBay gift card code exactly as it appears on the card. It is crucial to ensure there are no typos or extra spaces. Once you've entered the code, click the Apply button to add the gift card balance to your order total. After applying the gift card code, confirm that the balance has been successfully deducted from your total. This confirmation typically appears as a message indicating the amount applied from the gift card. If the total cost of your order exceeds the gift card balance, you will need to select an additional payment method to cover the remaining amount. eBay usually provides options such as credit or debit cards, PayPal, or other payment services. Once you have confirmed the gift card balance has been applied and selected any additional payment methods if necessary, proceed to complete the purchase. Review the final order details one last time to ensure accuracy. After you click Place Order, you should receive an order confirmation on the screen, as well as an email confirmation shortly after. Keep this information for your records. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.